Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Rigetti Computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has ranked Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.31. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock has broken through a very wide and declining short-term trend. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which may signal an early shift in the trend. On the reaction, support will be found at the ceiling of the trend that has been broken, specifically at $9.34. This level may present a second opportunity for a significant upward movement, according to fan theory. The next potential peak trend level is $13.36, which could act as a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 26.85% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 63.38% and negative 35.73%. In a broader perspective, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 113.95%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 42.03% to 300%, 88.16% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $15.10 and $51.89. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Rigetti Computing, Incorporated stock price on Friday, moving between $9.22 and $10.92. The Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock price gained 16.3% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025. Rising from $9.14 to $10.63, it has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to gain or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 18.43%, with a day low of $9.22 and a day high of $10.92. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 27.76% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 53 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 69 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $729,110,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $21.42, while the lowest price was 66 cents. Currently, the price is 50.37%, or $10.79, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing Incorporated, trading as RGTI, has recently closed an investment deal with Quanta Computer, further solidifying its strategic collaboration aimed at advancing quantum classical computing. This partnership is expected to enhance the company's resources and capabilities, potentially driving innovation and a competitive edge in the rapidly evolving quantum computing market. Investors have shown increased interest in RGTI, indicated by significant activity on platforms tracking stock performance. This heightened attention suggests growing confidence among market participants regarding the company's future prospects, which could lead to a short-term boost in stock price. Looking ahead, Rigetti is set to announce its first quarter financial results on May 12, 2025. This upcoming report will be crucial in evaluating its operational performance and financial health, potentially influencing investor sentiment and stock valuation based on the earnings results. In addition, Rigetti has secured an award of $5,480,000 from the Air Force Office of Scientific Research to develop its innovative chip fabrication technology. This funding not only demonstrates institutional support, but also positions Rigetti as a key player in developing cutting-edge technologies that could significantly impact the quantum landscape. Overall, these developments could drive investor optimism in the short term, while long-term growth will likely depend on Rigetti's ability to execute its technology advancements and capitalize on strategic partnerships in the quantum computing arena. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, it was reported that Craig Hallam assigned RGTI a buy rating with an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy rating with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They have evaluated the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Inc. stock is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at levels $9.34 and $9. A decline below either of these points would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there was a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD, and trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is generally seen as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, March 14, 2025, and since then, the stock has experienced a decline of 5.26%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 35 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 136 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 21 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $9.35 and $8.95. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Rigetti Computing Inc. finds support just below today's level at $9.35. If this support is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $8.95 and $8.51. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $1.70 between its high and low, or 18.43%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 9.43%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies may face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios can signal inadequate profits and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates suggest a loss of 5 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's explore some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $11.03. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering an entry. For those already invested in the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the other hand, Rigetti Computing faces its initial support level at $9.35. Should this support level hold, it might serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of March, 2025, Rivas David conducted an insider sale of 275,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March, 2025, McCarthy, Kathy L., conducted an insider sale of 150,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, Bertelsen Jeffrey A. conducted an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, Rivas David also conducted an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March, 2025, Rivas David conducted an insider sale of 351,785 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 9.780. Overall, insiders purchased 8,244,014 shares and sold 5,229,290 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.08, representing a decline of 5.15%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. Additionally, there's a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 34 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are showing positive signs, and the breakout from the declining trend suggests a potential shift in direction. We believe that prices around the breakout point will represent particularly strong levels. However, we also think that the current price level could serve as a favorable buying opportunity for the short term. Based on our analysis, we have upgraded our recommendation for this stock from a hold accumulate to a buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 5th of May, we anticipate that Rigetti Computing will open lower by approximately 37 cents, starting at $10.26. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading, and may you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.